This is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. We're here trying to give you some tips and tricks just to check your car for October Car Care Month. So right now we're talking about checking your lights. I can see a lot of people on the road where they have lights that are out, especially the ones in the rear. Because you can never see them, right? Or unless somebody tells you that they're out. BMWs, like their turning lights never work, right? But on these cars, you can get yourself something like this right here. This is like a telescopic, like little rod, and this is just to check your tail lights, just to make sure that everything back there is okay. So you'll put it on your brake, just like that, and now you can do it by yourself. You can make sure that your brake lights are out. Now mind you, my running lights aren't on right now, so you're definitely going to be able to see now. The third brake light's on, but you have, the car's dirty so you can't see it, right? But you have your brake lights all in good working order. Now you'll come out here, take these off, and then you'll have, most of the time you're on auto. A lot of new cars have auto turn on brake light running lights. A lot of cars have auto turn on running lights, so we'll just put them. All right, so now you just turn on the headlights. All right, you want to check your headlights, make sure that that your headlight is actually turning on. Okay, this is a low beam right here. But here's another thing: when your headlight housing or the whole thing gets kind of frosted out, or it's old on these plastic ones, you're gonna want to sometimes you just want to clean them out, especially if after like snow or something like that. You want to clean it out because sometimes you won't be able to see through all the dirt and debris. Or you can just get these buffed, right? I know these headlights are expensive, but you can have somebody buff them. So if you need help with that, come check us out at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. How's it going? This is Jimmy at Direct Truck and... Oh my goodness. Hey, this is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. Do I have to say the Car Care Month thing every time? Hey, this is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. We're here celebrating Car Care Month. How stupid. We're here... What was it? Car Care Month?